Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the background is normal, but I am filming as if I'm vlogging. I'm holding up the camera on the tripod because I wanted to talk to you, as you can see by the title, about my skin. So, as you all know, I used the Neutrogena grapefruit cleansing wash. The foaming cleansing wash. It did not go well, as you can see from the pictures of my bare skin. I do have makeup on because you can't really tell on my bare skin what it really looks like. I don't know if that's just because I'm like super pale, but I wanted to show you up close what happened to me. Let's let it focus. Come on. There we go. Okay, so here you can see all the little bumps all over my face. They're extremely painful and burning. Bring it down here. This is my nose. This is what makeup over it looks like. It's all raw and it's super, super painful. Underneath, I'm completely red. I don't know what was in this product. Hold on, let it focus. I don't know what was in this product. I don't know why it didn't work for me. I usually use the Biore products, but the drugstore I went to, it just didn't have those products available. So I wound up going with the Neutrogena. I never tried it before. It looked like it was like the same kind of wash that I use for Biore. So that's what I did. It didn't pop up right away. I didn't feel any burning while washing, but 2 days later, I wound up with a full red raw face and just dry red bumps and white bumps all over the place. I did start to break out, but I think that's because it draws the toxins out of your face, so it is looking like I have pimples because everything's coming out of my face. So that's what I did. I also spoke to the doctor that I work with because she's also my doctor in real life. Like, I see her as a patient. And she told me to take a Benadryl and some prednisone as well because of the inflammation that's so bad. So this isn't like a bash video or anything. This isn't like a criticizing video. It's just that I have severely fair skin, like thin skin. I don't tan during the summer. I don't like have really thick skin. I cut very easily. So this was just a super harsh product. So if you have like really thick skin, but really bad acne, I think this would be perfect for you. But if you're somebody like me who has like combination skin, it's oily. I get oily here in the T-zone and up in here, but I'm super dry around this area, which is why I think down in here, you can really see how dry it is. Like, look at that. Look at all this texture up in here. It's just so itchy. It burns. I can't stand it. So I also went to the drugstore because I'm trying to bring as much moisture back into my face as I possibly can. I am trying to just go back to the way I was. So I bought a few like hydrating face masks, just like drugstore brand, but I made sure that they're all natural. I bought the Burt's Bees hydrating matte face mask, and then I also got 100% vegan coconut oil makeup wipes. That way I can take off my makeup. But I'm not using any cleansers with the scrubby beads for a long time. I usually do that because I love to get the dead skin off my face so everything feels smooth. I hate using just regular soap because that usually just doesn't work for me. So I went with all that stuff. but I just really wanted to come on here and tell you guys about that because I never experienced that before. I've never had this reaction. I've used Proactive in the past, and that always helped. It did dry out my skin a little bit, but I never had, like, once I used the moisturizer that goes over it at the, like, the third step to Proactive, it would be fine and I would have normal skin. But this was just like a whole other level. I feel like I got, like, I've never had a chemical peel, but that's what it sounds like. I feel like this is what it is, but I just can't. Like, this is just not okay. I'm gonna show you guys this one more time before I end the video. I wanted to show you again with makeup on so you could really see how bad it's even underneath on my chin. And I did scrub my whole face, so you can't really see it up in here, but it is like right on the inner corners of my eyes, because when I wash my face, I'm just like shh the whole time. And I probably shouldn't do that. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that product, I will link it in the description in case you guys are interested, because like I said, it just wasn't for me. But if you do have like thicker skin, you can use anything on your skin, and you really want something good for acne, I think this is probably perfect. It does have salicylic acid in it, which is for acne, which I have used on my face. So I know that that's not really what caused this issue. So I will link that down below, and then I'm going to link the products that I got to recover my face with as well. I even went as far as last night as putting pure cocoa butter on my face. Talk about clogged pores, but at this point, I don't even care because I just want my dry, normal colored skin back. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys this little disaster that I have going on. As you saw from the thumbnail, that is with just my regular skin. There's no makeup on at all. So yeah, they're pretty disturbing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video that I filmed for you guys. I just wanted to fill you in on that. I do have another video coming. I want to film a piece of new tech that I got, so that's going to be coming as well. So yeah, I hope you took a lot of information from this video. I unfortunately had to suffer to get that information to you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.